Tonight's topic, we're going to talk about the prosperity and the throat chakra. The 7 chakras are minds that are in our body. The throat chakra is responsible for all functions that are respiratory functions. Our respiratory system is composed by lungs, throat, tongue, and it controls the way we breathe, produce voice, the vitality of the body by oxygenating the brain and all the muscles. So it's an important function that it has. So this is the question that I have for you guys. Are you 100% conscious of all the breathing process in your body? Are you consciously in control of all the time of every breathing process of your body? Perhaps not. And it's because we have a mind behind that process. There's a mind controlling those functions in the body. And yes, that is the throat chakra. That mind in our spine, those nerves control those functions, and we don't have to think about, oh, I forgot breathing. Oh, I need to oxygenate my brain. No, it actually makes it automatically. So the breathing, the voice, the vitality, and brain oxygenation all depends in that throat chakra. Another question that I have for you: how the throat chakra relates to prosperity in life? Well, prosperity comes from our efforts, from our actions, and our communications as well. Let's talk more about what let's put it as what is mentioned by many about power and money. Okay, first we have to create power. How do we do that? Well, our body and an intellectual power creates value, and out of that value we exchange it with money. So our throat chakra is feeding our organism with oxygen through the breathing process. Our voice helps with the communications and vitality of the body, and the brain oxygenation is for us to being able to process and being analytical in life, and it definitely has to do with our intellectual power. So breathing is an important piece for us to work and develop value that we eventually will exchange with material possessions or money. Currency has a value, or take value out of nothing. In the left side we have the regular currencies, the dollar or coins or euros. The regular currencies have value because it's an imposition from governments or banks and the marketplace. But the value is taken out of nothing. On the other hand, we have gold and cryptocurrencies. Gold is valuable because we agree it has value, because it looks nice, because it's the best conductor, and very good for the electronics. So we all agree that gold is valuable. So it's not imposition, it's an agreement. However, the agreement takes value out of nothing. It's the same with the cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency has value out of nothing. It's an agreement. People agree the Bitcoin or the Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency has value, and that value is given because an agreement. So the same two types of currencies take value out of nothing. Except humans. We create value. Only living creatures create actual value. We obtain nutrients, we breathe air, we work and produce value from that work. So yeah, we obtain nutrients from nature. Nature gives us something valuable to us. We breathe air. Air is the greatest source of energy for our bodies. then we work, we communicate, we use our intellectual power and create something valuable. Yes, we can give without having. And all this vitality comes from the throat chakra. The throat chakra is currently challenged by the global pollution of air. The air is constantly being polluted with CO2 and many other chemicals that are not produced by nature. So it's relevant for us to examine how we're exercising our throat chakra. So we're gonna go with a guided meditation. This is the first time I am recording a guided meditation to the public, and this is about hyperventilation and the roar of the lion. So if you feel you would like to go through these experience of a guided meditation for you to make an exercise that will enhance your vitality and in your performance for producing value and eventually increase and enhance your prosperity, you're more than welcome to follow these instructions. So just make sure that you're in a pleasant position, reliable and comfortable. Now close your eyes and go to a place where there's nothing around you. There's nothing below you. There's nothing above you. There's no sounds, no gravity, no intention. There's no forces influencing you. You're levitating over nothing. There's no light. There's no darkness. There's just nothingness. And you are the only light in this place. Understanding your conditions, create a dot of light in front of you, just a little dot. And that energy will expand and expand. And that light will increase in size, and we'll see waves and spirals and twists and all forms of and shapes of energy flows. You will see continually energy flowing like waves and waves. Let the energy keep flowing. That energy is like water, just waving in front of you. You're just looking inside the water. Mind is like water. When it's turbulent, it's difficult to see. But when it is calm and peaceful, everything is clear. Let's make that the water of energy passable, peaceful, in harmony. On the horizons you will see a star. Once the waters are peaceful in your mind, that energy is just an ocean in the darkness. And the star at the horizons is a target. So we're going to inhale and blow toward that light, that star. Emptying your body. Completely emptying your lungs to take out the toxic air from your lungs and breathe fresh air. We're going to inhale again and blow toward that light, separating the waters. completely emptying your lungs again. Return to normal breathing. And the third time, we're going to inhale fully and blow toward that light to separate the waters. Now the waters are a little bit turbulent again. Open your eyes. Now we're going to do the roar of the lion. We're going to breathe. Look to the top and open your mouth and point your tongue below when you're exhaling. So we're gonna breathe. Looking above. We're gonna do it again. The third and last time. This exercise will stretch all the muscles that you normally don't use, like tongue outside and eyes above, with a cleaning process of your air in the lungs. I hope this being informative and peaceful for you. You have a wonderful night.